Wow, such an awesome feeling. You know, we've been here since last week, Friday, and being here today to see how many Chamorros have actually relocated. And then we've even met some of our family members that are visiting here and also having little mini reunions with everyone. It's so good to see everyone out here. And hopefully, this song will take you back, bringing out our dancers from Guma Imahe out here to join us. I'm far away. I know that my heart will stay. My island, the place I call home. Take me back to the island in the sea. For I hear an island songbird calling me. And take me back to the island in the sun. For I know that's where the heart in me belongs. As a child I had traveled from the east and western coast, but always knew the island life is what I chose. Lived and loved and wandered, seeing all there is to see. Thought I had convinced myself the city life's over me, but take me back to the island in the sea. For I hear an island songbird calling me. And take me back to the island in the sun. For I know that's where the heart in me belongs. Stay a gaigi jatugoy, gaigi ki horn corazon hu, itano hu, zani ne namo hu. Was going to Puerto Guina Isla, Guina Taku. Gaigi Guina Muga, Mina Kufu. My house to adorn to be temple, Iman Mano Manani Nagoku. Tano isitus pasya sanay kitu pinay toku. Waktu iminagoku san mo ito dusinin teku. Sa pong nabutulang isla panawamu. Sunitu tati kita no kita tutasi. Sa buong nagkakaroon to kiyari. Was only to Watu, Guina Isla, Guina Tago. Gaigi Guina Muga, Mina Kufu. Gaigi Guina Muga, Mina Kufu. Gaigi Guina Muga, corazón. beautiful.
Anybody got pugwa out there? Pugwa, anybody? For those who don't know what pugwa is, it's a little nut. Well, Ruby can elaborate on this description of what a betel nut is.
What? How did I get that responsibility?
Because
Do you grow pugo out here? I don't think so, right? No. No.
by the way,
Oh,
there's a
Somebody
new breed.
imported some pugo from Guam. You've got, yeah. That's from Agate.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a new breed, brother. They put the ugam and the
That's from
changa
Agate.
together, and it's called sugam. Woo, real deal.
We're talking about the beach and the overload the I want to tell you a story about our island in the sea. We're on a no pastime away, chewing betel nut all day. And one day USDA, they come and take my betel nut away. It isn't legal and it's bad to take it out of our island. They go to war. They shouldn't let this law get too far. Cause some of them they chew it too. If you chewed it, would you fight too? Cause betel nut is not so bad. To woman up to that's all they have. So tell me now, what are we to do? If we can drink, when can we chew so true? Causes cancer, but cigarettes are much worse. It is not a proven fact that betel nut can cause his death. So we got to a congressman and fix this. We cannot let them take away this mighty PG. I got it. Tuosta paregukin nasuna kagi defensa Patatama sa tamanu Sambulan Bulan Pinaita Bulan Bulan Pinaita Bulan Bulan Pinaita Ang pahapam binalik Asuparati kimi nakahit Sontagin na nilangit Lang sa homo Nalibig ko duwid ni nasapit Sa bulan Bulan Pinaita Bulan Bulan Pinaita Bulan Bulan Pinaita Bulan Pinaita Bulan Pinaita Bulan Pinaita Bulan Pinaita Lots of love. Can we hear everybody say Bulak Winaita? Tell them right, Bulak Winaita. I see that when everybody's gathered together like this, it's a lot of love. And but let me tell you, we're both so very happy and to have this opportunity to be here and to share the love, our vibes from the islands back in Marianas. And man, it's just great to be here again.
Before we start, can we give a big hand to these young ones here? Let me tell you, if you knew what goes on behind the scenes when you put these kind of productions together, to their Fafanawi Joel Larimer over here to the right side. If you've never seen him, this is him right here in the corner. He's the mastermind behind putting this entire festival together. Last year was the first, and this year is the second, and it's doubled the size. Thanks to all of you, I'm sure that this is going to be an annual event, and it's a great way for us to celebrate our culture together in song, in dance, in food, and all the arts and crafts that are produced and made by all of our locals. So this is something to be proud of, and to also see that this generation are going to carry on our tradition through song and dance. So keep the culture alive out here, and we're just so grateful. Again, give a big hand for these youngins because they've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning. And I would be remiss if I didn't also acknowledge the team behind this too. Guma Imahe. Let me tell you, they brought us out here, and we're here representing our island, and coming all the way from Guam, and we're hoping that we're giving you a taste of home through our music. But they're keeping it alive for you too. So continue to support them. Continue to Jai over here and the Reel to Reel band. We only had one night rehearsal, and so I also want to acknowledge Jai.
Jai, come on, let's give it up for Jai.
So we have to
from Reel to Reel.
So can I just tell you, thank you so much for keeping our culture alive. To all the committee members, this is one of the co-chairs here. Where's our other chair?
Mark.
Patty. I'm sorry.
In the deep is shining bright, and the ocean which is blue, and it is clear skies and bright sunny day. I am in the mountain, we could bread through, way down in the shoreline, we go fishing and swimming. Out there in the woods, the birds are singing, making Mariana's in the deep blue sea, the Mariana, what's more beautiful are there. It's shining bright, and the ocean which is blue, and it's clear skies and bright sunny day. In the deep blue sea, Mariana, there was more beautiful I is shining bright, and the ocean which is blue, and it is clear skies and bright sunny day. Higher in the mountains, we could break through. Way down in the shoreline, we go fishing and swimming. In the woods, let the birds are singing, making Mariana's again. Out there in the woods, let the birds are singing, making Mariana's again.
Talajeros? Oh, we don't know what talajero is. Talajero? Fishermen? Hunters? Anybody out there? There's one, there's two, there's three. Boy, you're missing out. I remember as a kid when I used to watch my uncle cast that net over the ocean, into the water, and they see the ripples of, the ripples where he knows where to throw that net. It's such a beautiful sight to see that, and especially during sunset. It's just an awesome experience to see that. I know it was weird because when I witnessed that, it was like slow motion. It's a beautiful sight to see. This is going out to all the fishermen that are out there. Are you fishing for smelts or something? Estoy pescando. Aquí que pila. Cosa que singa. Akonito ruiguia. Estoy pescando. En Peru, Hava Titina. ฝันตาItalian celular profession to la Faticina ma disperação Só me não ligue pra família Digo que diz uma dia Devo magari Yang sedasar Pakai kasih potensia Mereka dumena tulai Menadulat ensiras Menalis tu pesan kau sama solo ni Patu milik Dalam sedulah profession Sinya dispensa Sana me no que familia Digo que aquí tu vida Acompañaré su pantalla Ya no te tengo puesta que tu vida Solo para tu como me estamos en Dai occhi che verrò Correnti combina salani namu Sati hagar penas kamu Asukine nanti familia Lanon pati tunggu Kuntodo bibi sinu Lanon pati tunggu mutan Kuntodo bibi sinu
With my friends, I used to play. Never hungry, never tired, always free. None is cooking filled the air. Lots of love was everywhere. And I noticed by the sea. Chores were done, thought the same, go have your fun. Had to be back for the pigs we got to feed. How I wish that I could see, thought that no less smiling at me in that old tea house by the sea. I remember the old days when the church bells used to ring and the villagers would gather to pray. How we live life simply, always rich with no money in that old tin house by the sea. We're done. Chocolate said, go have your fun. Had to be there for the pigs we had to feed. How I wish that I'd see not that another smiling at me in that old tin house by the sea. English was we stood, and there was none standing by our side. When we did long how he was gone, but we did just as we're told in that old tin house by the sea. Every day when chores were done, thought that said, go have your fun. And to be back on the things we had to be. Oh, I wish that I could see, thought nothing but smiling at me in that old tin house by the sea. Oh, the stories I now tell of the lessons I learned well in that old tin house by the sea. By the Yeah, the good old days back home. You know, after surviving so many typhoons back home, there aren't as many tin houses anymore. But there's nothing that replaces the sound of the rain, right? On the roof. Yeah, it just doesn't make you want to wake up and go to school or go to work. So relaxing. We'd like to bring out again our beautiful chamorritas from Guma Imahe to join us on this song. We also want to thank some of the other artists who have shared this, have kept the song alive in their repertoire.
live.